Today at Mullin Machinery we have an Omniturn GT-75. It's a 5C spindle gang tool machine. There are some tools on the slide. Omniturn tool post, a couple of holders with boring bars. We have these tool holders that were with it. Don't see Omniturn on them. Not 100% sure the details with those, but they were with the machine when I got it. In the back of the machine, for some reason, there's a dent in the top of the sheet metal. It's just cosmetic. We're going to pull it out, but it's a bit of work drilling out rivets and pulling the whole top apart for something that's just cosmetic. The machine does have C-axis. There's your spindle closer, your air spindle closer. Let's see, we can jog the axes. For some reason, the minute I open the door, I don't think it works anymore. Nope, the door has to be shut. So let's see if we go escape, 3. There we go, jogging Z. There we go, X. It's nice and quiet. Yeah, we'll run the spindle here. M. There's our screen. We go M0, 3, S2, 1, 2, 3. Enter. Let's see. Oh, we put the spindle on. There we go. Spindle's on. Real slow. We got it cranked up all the way. I don't know how to jog the axes with the door open or with the same time as the spindle. Programming's not my specialty, but spindle sounds good. Slides move fine. There goes my air compressor kicking on, but one of the clips is broken on this cover, but otherwise the machine's in good shape. You can check this machine out and more at mullinmachinery.com. That's MULLIN machinery.com.